Sa mga susunod na 5 araw sa huling linggo ng biyahe, ang inyong matutunghayan ay yung 5 bagay na natutunan ko sa loob ng 13 taon bilang isang DJ. At ito ang ika-5. My love, take risks. Sumubok ka. The biggest risk is not taking any risk. In a world that is changing really quickly, the only strategy that is guaranteed to fail is not taking risk. To inspire other people, this is a part of my story. Nung nakapasok ako sa Love Radio Manila, wala akong kapit. Hindi ako dating intern, hindi ako kaibigan, kapatid, anak ng kahit sino mang empleyado ng Love Radio Manila or ng Manila Broadcasting Company. I was a walk-in applicant. Isang almost fresh grad. Kasi pag-graduate pa lang ako noon na nagsubok mag-apply sa multiple radio stations dahil ayokong matenga. After kong graduate, isa ako sa 100 plus na applicants ng Love Radio Manila. And out of that 100 plus na applicants, isa lang ang kukunin nila. And I was lucky that I was given a chance to be that one person na nakuha nila bilang jock, newest DJ ng Love Radio Manila. That was back in 2010. So kabisyo, kung gusto mong may marating sa buhay mo, you have to have the courage to take risks. Huwag kang magpadaig sa lahat ng doubts, sa lahat ng buts na meron ka in mind. If there's something that you really want in life, you have to be brave enough to weather the consequences, even the rejection, just to get it. Kasi before that day, I think there was 2 companies na pinag-applyan ko at nireject ako. Itong company na to, this was my 3rd try. I know that not everyone will be that lucky, and I am grateful for that. Pero kung hindi ako sumubok, kahit wala akong ready spiel, kasi yung mga kasamahan ko nun, meron silang ready spiel kung paano nila ipapakilala yung mga sarili nila. I don't have any. Ni wala akong linya how to introduce myself in a very smart and witty way. Meron silang mga liner nun. Yung mga katulad ng ginagamit ko before, nung mga bago-bago pa lang ako na ang dalagitang tulog nung nagsabog ng katangkaran pero naalimpungatan ng inihagi. Yes, ang kagandahan. That was a liner na ginamit ko nung nagsisimula na ako sa radyo. Pero I don't have any of that nung nag-a-apply ako. Ang meron lang ako noon, lakas ng loob at kapal ng mukha. That's all I had with me the moment na nag-apply ako sa radio station. So my love, this story can be yours. This story can be you. This is a reminder to you na hindi lahat talaga ng susubukin natin in life, sure ball makukuha natin. Hindi lahat ng papasukin natin in life, sure ball mapapasa atin. There will be multiple times that we will be rejected for multiple reasons, in multiple companies, in multiple industries. Pero that doesn't mean na susuko tayo, na matatakot tayo, na idadoubt natin yung capabilities natin. We just have to keep on trying. We just have to keep on taking risks. Kasi those people na marunong sumugal sa buhay, sila'y nakaka-jackpot in life. Sila'y nakakapagtamasa ng tagumpay. Kasi hindi nila hinahayaan na yung mga pagkatalo nila, yung failures nila, yung pagkadapa nila, defines their ability to succeed. Ginagawa lang nila yung minor setback in life. Ang mentality nila, Isa lang to sa maraming oportunidad na pwede kong makuha. Isa lang to sa maraming oportunidad na pwede kong mapagtagumpayan. So kung hindi ako pwede dito, kung hindi pa ito ang para sa akin, that doesn't mean na wala nang para sa akin. Marami pang pinto na pwede kong pasukan. Marami pang daan na pwede kong tahakin. But the thing is, sa kada no na matatanggap ko, I won't let that get into my head. I won't let it define me na hanggang dito na lang ako. I won't let that rejection be the period sa search ko for the path or the way or the road to my success. Itong no today can be a yes tomorrow. But the only way I can find out kung ito ba ay magiging yes is if I will take the risk again. Kung susugal ulit ako in life. That is the very first lesson I have ever learned nung nakapasok ako ng Love Radio Manila. Again, I have nothing with me. No background, no big family, no internship to back me up. No one has ever seen me anywhere. I was a nobody nung mga panahon na yon. I just took the risk. Sabi ko lang sa sarili ko, it's now or never. It's an opportunity in front of me. And the only way I can find out kung itong opportunity na to ay for me is if I will take the risk even when mas malaki yung pagkakataon that I will be rejected. Even when mas malaki yung porsyento that it's a no for me. I just have to. You owe it to yourself, my love, to give yourself the opportunity to succeed. Again, that can only happen if you learn to take the risk. Yan ang una sa 5, my love, na natutunan ko sa 13 taon na pagiging DJ ko sa Love Radio Manila.